Hey, in this video, we're going to be reposting every single video that I upload to YouTube to all of other platforms, and I'm going to show you how to create an automation to do that. So let's jump over. My name is Mikey Shattuck. I've been doing automations for marketing, advertising, sales, operations for 15 years, and now AI just makes all of that so much easier. So we're going to use something called Zernio. Zernio.com is very important because you can do things that are almost impossible to do unless you are a developer. And what I mean by that is Zernio allows you to use an API, which is a data feed where things talk. Okay. And the thing that's important about that is they are a business partner, official business partner with all of these platforms. And what that means is you get developer level access to all of these platforms, which all that matters is you can do anything that a developer can. And then we're going to use right here, we got Cloud Code already working. We're going to use Cloud Code to be our developer. And so what we're doing is you get an account with Zernio. It's like $50 a month. There's no affiliate. I can't get you a discount. I asked them, hey, can you give me affiliate so I can hook up my audience? They did nothing for me. So whatever. But there are some other competitors out there that are just as good. I want to make it go dark here. Connect all of your accounts. You get an API key. Grab an API key. And then you want to grab the documentation link here. That's always important. And then you give your API key and the documentation link to Claude, and you simply say, create an automation that will repost every video I upload to YouTube and all other platforms via Zernio. Okay. So, and it's literally doing that as we speak right now. It's creating all of this onto my virtual private server. Oh, it's actually just finished creating it as I'm done here. So fantastic. What it's going to do is it pulls my YouTube via an RSS feed that it created. When a new video appears, it'll download it. It'll cross-post it to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn via the Zernio API. It handles rate limits per platform, auto cleans download video files 30 minutes after posting, initialize with your 15 existing videos marked as seen. Only new uploads will trigger for cross posts. Fantastic. So we are good to go. Now that will just automatically repost. It's amazing. All right. So if you are interested in learning more about this, holler at me, hit me up. That's what I do. Subscribe, like, comment, and I would love to help you too. But definitely, if you're trying to grow and do anything, get a Zernio account, get a CloudCat account, and make it simple. See you in the next video.